Icigo cia Kuria, Mwingi, Mount Elgon, Teso na East Pokot cio ciendekithitio kumbota kaunti njeru na kwongerera ithabu ria kaunti nginya 52. Mbunge wa Kuria East Marwa Kitayama na mbunge wa Bomachoge Alfah Miruka aria macagurirwo na kiama kia UDA nio maratindikiriria riendekithia riri.
Current constitution haikuwa na any formula. They just the one who had that idea picked the existing districts to be counties. Now that's why others are suffering and others are enjoying.
Ambunge megubatara kungania thaini 50 niguo watho uyu utemanio bunge-ini na angikorwo ni ukuhitukio no muhaka ritwarwo kuri muingi niguo kura ya mawoni itafanio. Gukiri uguo riendekithia rimenereirio ni atongoria amwe riu makiendekithia kaunti inyihio na itigare o 10 tu makiuga ikinyaria kwongerera kaunti ugukorwo ari murigo makiria kuri muingi.
What is wrong in us proposing that every county will have a male senator, a woman senator, a youth senator, and a senator living with disability? Yes, that is 5 for every county. That means we're going to have a Senate of 50 senators, which is perfect enough to do serious laws.
People will be paid a salary and allowances and the fuel that they're using and all that and the corruption in it. We are messing up our country and we don't know. So if you ask me what should be brought to this parliament is how do we reduce the number of the counties?
Itaikaria Mount Kenya na atongoria itu ni magire kumira na hinya muingi muno tondu kuu ni ku andu mathinagira tondu county kwongererwo ni utonga watwarwo kuu wanyihanyihio kwanyu.
Niguo kaunti ici ithano ciubwo cigubatara kurengererwo kuma kaunti ingi iria ciekwo kwa ihinda riri. Gavana wa Trans Nzoia George Natembeya akimenereria kugayo kwa icigo imwe cia kaunti iyo niguo kaunti njeru ya Mount Elgon yubwo.
Mpaka itapitia wapi kwanza? Utakuwa na pima na sisi kila sub location iko na kabila zote. Utakawa namna gani unataka kabila yako itaingia aje? Hata waje ujinga bwana.
Murugamo wa Natembeya ona kuri uguo ni umenereirio ni athuri a ruriri rwa Saboti aria mugite hena moguni maingi mekumana na kumbwo gwa kaunti njeru.
Serikali ya Kenya iweze kufungua mlango katika constitution ya Kenya itukubalie tupate majimbo mengine matano.
It's not going to take away anything from anyone. This is in line with the constitution of Kenya. And the architects of the constitution knew very well that there will come a time when it will be ripe for such constitutional amendments to take effect.
Watho uyu ungihituka ugutindikiriria mogaruruku icunjini cia 97 na 98 cia gatiba kuria ithabu ria ambunge a kaunti rikwongerereka nginya 52 hamwe na ithabu ria maseneta nayo namba ya ambunge kuma bunge ya bururi na senate mataraneirio yambatire kuma 416 nginya 426. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachege.